Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can change the default search engine in Safari on the iPhone 14 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And on the home screen, tap on Settings. In Settings, swipe up to go down, and in here, tap on Safari. Next, tap on Search Engine. In here, there are 5 search engines that you could choose. So you got here Google, Yahoo, Bing, DuckDuckGo, or Ecosia. So I'm going to select Yahoo, and then tap on the back key, and then swipe up to go back to the home screen. Now, when you tap on the Safari browser, okay, so here I'm going to turn on Safari, and so not in there, but in here in the search address. So let's say I'm going to put in test. So test, and then tap on go. Now it will use the Yahoo search engine instead of Google search engine. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.